Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to restore the deleted default VPC into our VPC console. So this is a default VPC which already present in our AWS console. So let us check. So this is the default one. Here we can see the tenancy is default. So first let's delete the default VPC. Action, delete VPC. I acknowledge. Default VPC and click on delete. So here we deleted the VPC and we can also check on the VPC dashboard. Here the VPC is 0 and the subnets also 0 and routable is 0. So everything is 0. So let us create a default VPC. Here in the VPC dashboard, click on actions. Simply here we can see the create default VPC and click on default VPC. Click create the default VPC. So default VPC was created and we can see we are having the 3 subnets in the different availability zones and 1 route table and 1 network connection, which is internet gateway. And here in the dashboard we can see that our VPC is in the default state. And let us check our VPC. Here we can see that the tenancy of the VPC is in default state. So this is how we can get our default VPC. If you like the content, like the video, share with your friends and subscribe the channel. Thank you.